Bitcoin, April 12th, 2026, weekly update. First, we're going to go over the top analysis from the week and just work our way down and see what we got for Bitcoin for this week. So here we got Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Price action is going up, fell over here, went down, all the way down to here. So you can see that we've been downtrending for a while, but we have a little support that keeps on going a little higher with higher lows. So we're going to see if this actually snaps up in the week to come to go to all-time highs, or it snaps down in continuation like this one did. But we're at a pivotal part time right now. But you can see this high here, get a high here, high here, high here. So this is a definitely important vital area in the whole trend of Bitcoin right now. But overall, we're still moving up on the trend, basically. You see the trend line going up above the 200 MA. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. On the daily time frame, price action below the 200 MA, showing weakness. See the 200 MA coming down, that's weakness. But now, like I said before, price action is going sideways, trying to decide where it wants to go, up or down. We just have to keep an eye on that. But right now, the bias is bearish, down. 1 hour time frame, we're just going sideways. All this 200 MA is just going sideways. So that's just not giving you much information right now. We're going to see what happens in the week to come. So can't put too much stock into what's going on here. So if we go over to the same 1 hour, but show the trend lines, and then we got the trend lines down here as well too. So if you follow this price action, it's going up and down, and price action is going above and below the 200 MA. So it's kind of indecision time. No clear decision. And right now we're having this line here, the 4 hour, which price action rejected and came back down under. Now it's at the 200 MA. So if it bounces above the 200 MA, or comes down here to the 1 hour safety line, or comes all the way down here to the 1 hour action line. We'll see how much power and strength we have. But overall, we're still in this accumulation box here. We have some news coming up on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's where these lines are coming from. That will shake things up and give price action some activity, some volatility. So to give you a pump up, a pump down, that's what I assume is going to happen pretty soon to come. So we'll keep an eye on that. That's kind of what we have for Bitcoin right now. Right now we're just going sideways, no clear direction. When Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday comes with all this action, we'll see if price comes up, bounces above this, above or off of this 4 hour action line and bounces back up above. That would be bullish. If price action fails and goes below this just 1 hour safety, or below this daily safety, then that's definitely bearish. So we're just keeping an eye on this week to see where we're gonna go. And that's the update for Bitcoin for April 12th, 2026.